Meaning of ineffectually.
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 Ineffectually. Ineffectually means that something was done without producing the intended result or without any real impact. When a task is carried out ineffectually, it can be frustrating and disappointing, especially if it is important. For example, if someone tries to fix a broken machine ineffectually, they will not be able to bring it back to working order. This can lead to wasted time and effort, as well as potential consequences like financial loss, missed deadlines, or even accidents. In short, doing something ineffectually produces no positive result and may even cause negative consequences.